Johannes Kepler, 1571 to 1630, was a German mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of the solar system. Born in Wilderstadt, Germany, Kepler studied law at the University of Tübingen before becoming a teacher and later a mathematician. His work on planetary motion led him to discover three fundamental laws that describe the orbits of planets around the Sun. The law of ellipses, which states that planetary orbits are elliptical in shape. The law of equal areas, which shows that the line connecting the planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. And the law of harmonies, also known as Kepler's third law, which reveals a harmonic relationship between the size of a planet's orbit and its orbital period. These laws, published in his book Astronomia Nova, laid the foundation for Sir Isaac Newton's development of classical mechanics and remain fundamental to modern astronomy. Although Kepler did not have any specific thoughts or ideas about interplanetary voyages, as his work was primarily focused on understanding the motion of planets in our solar system through mathematical observations and theories, he did think and write about conditions on planets such as the Moon. During his lifetime, interplanetary travel was purely speculative. In his book Somnium, Dream, published in 1634, Kepler described a fantastical voyage to the Moon as part of a larger exploration of the solar system. According to Kepler's imagination, a crew would need to escape Earth's gravity and travel through the vacuum of space to reach the Moon, which he believed was within a reasonable distance from our planet. In the book, Kepler imagines a group of travelers being first selected, put to sleep with narcotics and opiates to ease the pain of escaping Earth's gravity, seated comfortably to prevent any injuries, lifted from Earth by an air-filled vessel, propelled upwards, and then released into space, where they would soar through the vacuum to reach the Moon's surface. He also proposes that the travelers use a circular sail to harness the sun's energy and propel themselves toward their destination. Once at the destination site, Kepler speculates what they could find there. According to him, the Moon is not a desert landscape, but one teeming with life, extremely bound by powerful environmental constraints. The Earth travelers will find two groups of inhabitants there. The prevolvans are carnivorous creatures living on the Moon's dark side, and the subvolvans live on its bright side, which faces the Sun. The subvolvans are a group of nomads who travel either on a native animal species whose legs are longer than camel legs, or on wings, or in ships. They travel along receding water flows and avoid staying too long on the surface of the Moon for fear of being boiled alive by the intense heat. Kepler also mentions that plants do grow on the bright side of the Moon, but their life expectancy is just 1 day. Using fiction to extrapolate scientific work offers a unique avenue for exploring ideas, hypotheses, and implications that may be difficult to address through traditional empirical methods alone. Fiction allows scientists and thinkers to speculate beyond the constraints of current knowledge, technology, or ethical boundaries, enabling them to envision alternative realities, future possibilities, or the consequences of scientific advancements. It also serves as a powerful tool for communication, making complex scientific concepts more accessible and engaging to a broader audience by embedding them in relatable narratives. By blending imagination with scientific principles, fiction can inspire curiosity, foster creative problem-solving, and stimulate discussions about the ethical, social, and philosophical dimensions of science, ultimately enriching both the scientific endeavor and public understanding.